Hi everybody, Asong Filipina, and today this is just a short video. I'm going to try on these flip-flops here with me. So I have for now 1, 2, 5 pairs of flip-flops. So this is an old flip-flops that I've been wearing for my driving for custom video. So now let's dangle the flip-flops. And okay, I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna walk it with you to you guys. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing this blouse last time with I think skirt. For now this one. It's very comfortable because it's very warm here. So that's all for now, and I see you again next video. Bye everyone, love you all.